Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ain Emylia Assylla Binti Saharudin. My matrix number is S59759, and I'll be doing the individual assignment of financial accounting and reporting. Okay, the first task required us to completing this worksheet. Okay. So since there is decreasing amount in the ending balance, so we put it on the credit side to deduct the amount. If there is increasing balance in the ending balance, we put it on debit side. Okay, for the credit items, if there is increasing balance in the ending balance, we put it on the credit side, while if there is decreased balance in the ending balance, we put it on the debit side. So to make sure that the credit is in the same amount as the debit, we add everything on the debit side. As well as the credit side, to make sure that it is in the same balance. Okay, so next we proceed with the statement of cash flow. Okay. So we start with cash flow from operating activities. Okay, we start with net profit before tax. It is given in the question, which is 21,000. So we need to do the adjustment to add back all of the non-cash expenses, which is the first one is depreciation. Amounted to 14,000. So next one is loss or gain from the sale of non-current asset. So there is sale of land, which is there is loss. We get loss from the sale. RM 8,000. Okay, next we need to find the changes in working capital. The first one is from the worksheet that we complete just now. We identify there is increase in inventory, RN 20,000. We need to deduct this from our cash flow. Also, we find that there is increase in receivable. Also, we need to deduct it from our cash flow, RM 13,000. Okay, so there's all from the current asset. We need next we need to do the current liabilities, which is account payable. So there is decrease in payables from the worksheet that we completed before. Okay, for current asset, we need to add the decreasing amount and deduct the increasing amount. But for payables, we need to deduct the decreasing amount and add the increasing amount. So next we get net cash flow from operating activities. Okay, so next one is cash flow from investing activities. So the first one is cash received from sale of lands, which is 52,000. Next is purchase of property, plant and equipment. We can identify this by the increasing amount in equipment, RM 9,000. We need to deduct this amount from our cash flow. So next we get net cash flow from investing activities. Amount. Okay. Next, cash flow from financing activities. The first one is payment of bond payable. We need to deduct the amount from our cash flow. Next is issuance of shares. Next is dividends paid. Okay, next is net cash flow from financing activities. Okay, so next is net increase or decrease in cash. You can get this figure from at the net cash flow in in operating activity with net cash flow in investing activities and net cash flow in financing activities. Next, we add with cash at the beginning of the year. We can get it from the worksheet that we completed just now, which is 30,000. Then we get the cash at the ending of the year by at 35,000 and 30,000 together. The 65,000, this amount need to be same with the ending balance of the cash at the worksheet that we completed before, which is 65,000. So if it's the same, then our worksheet are in a right is not in a wrong condition. So that's all from me. Thank you very much.